This Lexus ES350, which I am currently sitting in, cost 8 million naira now in the market. But back in 2019, when I bought it for about 4 million naira. And if you watch this video to the end, I'm going to show you how I was able to afford a Lexus ES350 for 4 million naira from the proceeds of my e-commerce business. Hello, my name is Victor Njumugu and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to be talking about how I was able to afford my Lexus ES350, how I bought my first car at the age of 25 from my e-commerce business. Many people have been asking me this question a lot, but so I decided to make a video to explain the step-by-step process which I actually went through to be able to afford this beautiful car. So, but before I go into the full details of this video, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, what are you waiting for? Click on the subscribe button so that and turn on the notifications button so that whenever I make a new video, you'll be the first person to be alerted. And also like this video and leave a comment if you enjoy watching this video. So let's jump right into the details of this video. Thank you. So back in 2019, I did not have a car. I set a goal for myself that in 2019 I was going to buy a car. And one of the first steps which I took to achieve this was that I found a health product that solves people's problem. Why did I pick health products? Health products are evergreen. What I mean by evergreen is that there will always be customers for those products. I picked a health product that solved a particular problem for people. Like I picked the product that help people improve their fertility, both for male and female, because I know that there are many people who want to be able to conceive and give birth to children, but for some reason they cannot do that. So I picked the health products that help people to boost their fertility. Health products are evergreen. They will always have markets from time to time. You can sell health products for years and years and years. As far as you can keep coming up with good angles to market your product. So the first step that I took back there was I found a health product. You can find the health product you can look for a health product by joining an MLM company. I think that was the first step I did. I joined Norland back in the day. Norland. You can join an MLM company that has health products that they want to market, or you can source for health products by yourself. There are markets that you can actually source for health products. If you get the Millionaire Maker House product blueprint, I'm going to leave a PDF of different health niches you can enter, and I'll show you where you can actually source for health products that you can start selling. You must make sure that your health product is NAFDAC approved so that you don't have any issues with law enforcement agencies. So that was the first step I took. I found a health product that solves a problem for a particular set of people, and in my own case it was the fertility niche. So after I found the health product, what did I do? Step 2, I created a story-based sales page. Story-based sales page is one of the best ways to sell a health product. You want to give people a grass to grace story, because that one sells very well. It's like a testimonial of people who have used your product and saw results. Before I saw an example of this type of sales pages. Previously I was having infertility issues. My wife could not get pregnant. I could not impregnate my wife. Then I struggled, and I found this health product and I used it, and suddenly we have children. We use this product and today we have children. That is the sequence of your sales page. You want to have this type of story-based sales page, and you want to make sure that your sales page is genuine. You want to find real reviews from people who have used your product and have seen results from it. Then you use their story, or you use their own case study to create a sales page that you can use to market your product. Very, very powerful. Story-based sales page grips your audience, engages your audience. It takes your audience on a journey from grass to grace. So that was what I did. I created a story-based sales page for that product which I found, and make sure that it was engaging and compelling enough to engage my readers. That was the second step I did. The first step was that I found a health product, and then the second step was that I created a story-based sales page. So if you want to actually go into this business, you should follow the steps which I took. So thirdly, what did I do? I created a good offer. An offer is what differentiates you from the market. There are many people who are selling health products today, but your offer is what will help you stand out. Now, for the case of health products, you want to create an offer that looks like this: partial treatment and complete treatment. Now, the partial treatment is like a lesser priced starter pack for people who cannot afford the complete treatment. Then the complete treatment will be your main offer, where you have the more expensive products and the complete package. You can say, okay, one bottle of this treatment goes for 15,500, but the complete treatment, which is 3 bottles, goes for 49,500. You can say like that. You can do something like that. That was the type of offer that I can create. Or you can say complete treatment is 3 bottles and you get so and so pack for free. Maybe you can find a free gift or a herbal tea or something that you can add to the complete treatment and then put it as your premium price. You have your cheap price, which anybody that comes into your website can actually afford, and then you have your premium price, which consists of the complete treatment. You want to make sure you always say partial treatment and complete treatment, because it will give customers an option that, okay, see, if I cannot afford the big money to buy the complete treatment, at least I can start with this half treatment. Or it can also make customers feel like, oh, I don't want partial treatment, I want the complete treatment. So you are giving customers two things to choose. It's very, very important. That is how your offer should be like. You want to make your complete treatment enticing for the customer to want to order your products. Very, very important. If you don't do that thing, your sales page will not convert. Your offer is very, very important. So number one, I said I found a health product. Number two, I created a story-based sales page. And then number three, I created an offer for that product. I created an offer that's complete treatment and partial treatment. So number four, what did I do next? Number four, I ran Facebook and Instagram ads. Facebook and Instagram ad is very, very powerful when it comes to getting sales for your health products. Why is Facebook and Instagram ads very powerful? Facebook and Instagram, they have a very large audience, and it's easy for you to get audience of people who is likely to buy your products from using Facebook and Instagram ads. As a beginner, that is where you want to go to. But as you're advancing in the business, you can start going into YouTube ads and Google ads or native ads or influencer marketing. But for a starter who does not have a lot of money, Facebook ad is one of the best ways that you can actually get customers as fast as possible for your business. So I ran Facebook and Instagram ads. You can start with 5,000 naira running your ads. Then as you grow, as you are making more money, you then start increasing your ad budget. You'll be getting orders on a steady basis. And health product is very lucrative because it's very easy for you to find a customer in the health niche, because there are many people who have health issues. It's not only fertility, there are many arthritis, pile, weight loss, diabetes. You want to make sure that your product is working. Or don't go and be selling rubbish to people. Make sure your product is working. I always advise you that you can sign up with an MLM company that has a working product, or you can find a good NAFDAC approved product that is tested and trusted, and then you now start marketing it. Your job is to be marketing the product using Facebook and Instagram ads. That was what I did, and I was getting a lot of sales. Within 1 year, I was just saving up my money as I was making sales, and over time, the money I saved up grew. Now, as you are running your Facebook and Instagram ads and you are getting orders, what do you do next? Lastly, I partnered with delivery agents that help me deliver my products. I have delivery agents in all the 36 states of Nigeria, or even if not all the 36 states, I have them in the most important states that I get a lot of orders. I have delivery agents there, and I stock my products with them so that whenever I have an order, they help me deliver the product, and they will help you remit your money once you deliver the products, either the same day or the next day. You stock your product with them, they will help you deliver the products, and then they will give you your money. That is how I was able to do. I was saving my money over time. I was able to afford this beautiful car, and I was no longer trekking on the streets of Lagos again. So that is the step-by-step process which I took. It's not complicated. It's something that you can start if you want to do it. And if you want to start this business, I have a PDF version on the Millionaire Maker Whole Product Blueprint that will contain at least different health products that you can start selling, or different niches you can start entering. And also there is a sales page template there that will show you how to write sales page. Like I talked about the story-based sales page, the grass-to-grace sales page. I will show you how to do it in the Millionaire Maker House product blueprint, and I also show you how to run Facebook and Instagram ads. So if you have not gotten that course, I've been shouting it since. I don't know what I'm waiting for. It's affordable. It's not like it's super expensive. If you have not gotten that course, check the link in the description where I will leave a link explaining everything. So go and get that course for yourself, and I promise you, you will not regret it. So those are the step-by-step process which I took. Go and implement if you're interested. If you want to see success like me, go and implement it, and I can assure you that you will see results. Till I come your way next time, please, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe, turn on the notifications button so that whenever I make a new video, you'll be the first person to be notified. And also, if you have questions, leave a comment below. And also, even if you don't have any questions, just say good job, Victor, and I'll surely appreciate it. Thank you, and see you next time.